Hello guys, welcome once again, and today we are going to talk about a very interesting library of Python that will help you to find the dead or irrelevant code from your whole code base, right? So let's do first of all, let's install the Vultr. Vultr is a library that we are going to use in order to detect the dead code, right? So that's how you can install it: magic sign or exclamation mark pip install Vultr, right? And I have already installed it. When you will run this command, it will be installed at your machine as well. So what we are going to do is, let's write some dead code, right? So let's say a, b, and then c equals to, let's say, 20, 10, and let's say 5, right? So we have initialized three variables, right? So then we'll say define function 1, right? And here let's do something, I don't know, maybe um, sum, or not sum, let's call it sum, because sum is reserved word. So here sum equals to, sorry, a plus b, and then let's print sum, right? So this is what is happening in function 1. Then we are going to define a function 2, and in function 2 what we are going to do, we are going to say, let's say, b equals to 100, and then print b, right? And then what we are going to do is we are going to call function 2, right? So okay, so now what is going to happen, we are not going to use function 1, right? So we are only using function 2. Let's run it, and it is showing some error, right? Why? It says that yeah, it makes sense. Okay, so now we are not using function 1 at all, right? We are only using function 2. Makes sense? So how can we detect by using Vultr that function 1, I mean this part of code, is dead, right? How can we do that? So let's do that. So first of all, we'll go to file, we'll download this code, and we will download it as .py or Python file, and then it is downloaded. Where it is? Let's see where it is. It is in show in folder. So it is in downloads. Let me just copy this from here, and let's go to desktop, and let's paste it over here. So let me replace it, because I already had a file with a similar name, right? So now we have to copy the path of this folder, this file, right? So I'm copying the path, and then we have to go to the command prompt, right? So in command prompt we have to write Vultr space quotation marks and then paste the whole address, right? If I'll hit enter, boom, you can see that it says that it gives us three different things. It says that variable c is unused, and if we go back to code, how can we back to code? Yeah, here you can see that variable c is never been used anywhere. So variable c is unused, makes sense. And then it says that function 1 is also unused. Function 1 is also unused, makes sense. And then it also says that it also prints the line number of the code, right? So it says that the variable sum, SUMM, is also unused, and it's quite right. So that's a very magical thing. It is not only telling us that which variables are unused, it is also telling us that which functions are unused, and those functions which are not even executed yet. Inside those functions, if there is any variable that is unused, it is also indicating that variable as well. So Vultr library is pretty good library if you want to clean up your code, which is really a mess sometimes. So it can help you a lot. So yeah, that's about it for now, and we'll see you in next video.